You searched how to buy shares of Lundbergföretagen AB, LUND-B, and this short guide will show the practical steps. Lundbergföretagen is a Swedish investment company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker LUND-B.ST. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need an online broker. We use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the process. After creating an account, you will need to verify it, usually by uploading an identity document, and you must add funds before placing a buy order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker LUND-B.ST to find the listing. Select the result that matches Lundbergföretagen AB, LE-SIR-B to open the correct asset page. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm the listing is correct. Check that the exchange is CBOE EU and that the ticker displays as LUND-B.ST. Click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, and check order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when trading opens. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it can confirm the purchase. Once executed, your new position will appear in the Portfolio tab of the platform. For reference, the eToro link is provided in the video description.